Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on mobile or cellular data on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To switch on data, there's two options. Firstly, you can enable it via the quick access panel. Swipe down from the very top of the screen either once or twice until you see the option called Internet. Tap on this and then you can use the toggle switch next to the data icon. It should have your network or carrier's name here, and it should be above the Wi-Fi section. You can also turn on data in the settings, open the main settings app, then choose network and internet, then tap on SIMs, and you can use the toggle switch next to the mobile or cellular data option, which should be at the bottom, below the SIMs section. That's how to turn on mobile or cellular data on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.